In the last video, I taught you how to make a pickup request. Now, our topic is making a retrieval request. To make a retrieval request, click on Retrieval in the Make a Request section in the dashboard. Just like in creating a pickup request, my information will be filled out automatically for me. My first step in creating a retrieval request is selecting a delivery date. I will also have the option to rush it. Then the boxes that can be retrieved are listed in the boxes available for retrieval. Check the boxes I want for retrieval. So I'll check 3 items or boxes. You may also check this checkbox if you want to select all boxes. There, all boxes has been checked. Next step is to add the selected items or the checked items to the retrieval list. To add them, click on the Add to the Retrieval list. There you go. As you can see, all the checked items are added in the retrieval list. If you're looking for a box, you can search a specific box in the boxes available for retrieval in the search box, in the rightmost area of the boxes available for retrieval. So I'll enter a barcode of a box and search it. There you go. There is the box that I searched. So I have to add it to my retrieval list. And then there. Now to remove the boxes or items in the retrieval list, you have the option to remove all or remove only for specific boxes or items. The box is now removed, as you can see. You can also search by description, box number, and department in this section. If you're done entering boxes in retrieval list, click Submit. This video is now finished. In the next video, I will teach you how to make a request for repick.